And now that we're there, we'd like to call your attention to the no smoking and fasten seatbelt signs. Smoking and vaping, including the use of any electronic smoking devices, are not permitted at any time on board this aircraft. Should the captain turn off the seatbelt signs, we recommend that you continue to wear your seatbelts whenever you are seated in the event of unexpected turbulence. Federal regulation strictly prohibits the consumption of alcohol that you may have brought on board with you. In a few moments, we'll begin our complimentary island beverage service. We'll be offering chilled fruit juice or a cup of freshly brewed coffee.
Yeah.
If there's anything we can do to make your flight more enjoyable, please feel free to call upon us. We'll be more than happy to assist you. We invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight. Follow. Aloha and welcome to the Onizuka-Kona International Airport. We'll be taxiing for the next few minutes for your continued comfort, most especially your safety. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened and your carry-ons properly stowed until the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt signs. Before leaving us, check around your seat, the seat pocket in front of you or in the overhead compartments for any items that you may have brought on board with you. And use caution when opening the overhead compartments as items may have shifted during the flight and may fall out. We'll be using a mobile ramp for deplaning. As you leave the aircraft, hold on to the handrails and watch your step. As an added word of caution, avoid walking beneath the wings of this or any other aircraft and continue to refrain from smoking until you are well within a designated smoking area. For those passengers who have requested wheelchair assistance, we kindly ask that you remain seated until the main flow of passengers has disembarked so that we may better assist you. If you have gate check items such as a car seat, stroller, or walker, allow our ground staff a few minutes to retrieve your items. You will find them at the bottom of the jetway of the mobile ramp. If this is your final destination and you have checked in luggage, you reclaim it at the Hawaiian Airlines baggage claim area located on curbside. Again, folks, as a reminder, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt signs have been turned off. And before you leave us, Barclays and Hawaiian Airlines are excited to share a special in-flight offer of the Hawaiian Airlines Roll Elite MasterCard. Now you can earn 70,000 bonus Hawaiian miles after your first purchase within 90 days of account opening. If approved, you can use those miles for up to 5 round-trip flights between our neighbor islands, 2 round-trip flights between Hawaii and our West Coast destination, or 1 round-trip flight between Hawaii and our East Coast destination. Plus, your miles will never expire and can be used for any international travel on Hawaiian Airlines. We'll have applications up front once you depart with us and happy to answer any questions that you may have. Apply and counted today. Use the web apply link to receive this special in-flight offer of 70,000 bonus Hawaiian miles after your first purchase. And on behalf of all of us here at Hawaiian, most especially your flight crew, it has been our pleasure having you on board this morning. We thank you for choosing to fly with us and we look forward to serving you again on another Hawaiian Airlines flight. Mahalo and aloha.